Across campus, small pins are starting big conversations about mental health. Conversations that don't always come easily, but ones that matter. Katharina Mueller-Crain is a graduate student at the University of St. Mary studying social work. Between classes, assignments, and the demands of graduate school, she's also leading a mental health initiative called Pins Across Campus. The project focuses on advocacy, education, and creating space for conversations that are often left unspoken. Katharina described Pins Across Campus as, quote,
a mental health nonprofit where you advocate for mental health, practice healthy self-care, and work towards suicide prevention.
At its core, the initiative is about making mental health visible and making sure students feel supported. It encourages people not only to take care of themselves, but to look out for others as well. The program operates through educational workshops held on campus. Katharina said these workshops give students the opportunity to learn, quote,
how to advocate for themselves, warning signs to look for in individuals, how to cope with stress, and learn about resources.
The goal is to give students practical tools, things they can actually use in their daily lives. Whether that's recognizing when a friend might be struggling or understanding how to manage their own stress, the focus is on awareness and action. After attending a workshop, students are given pins, small but meaningful symbols that represent support and connection. For Katharina, this work is more than just a project, it's something she cares deeply about. She said, quote, mental health is a passion, and explained that the initiative means a lot to her because she doesn't want people, quote, to suffer in silence. That message is at the center of everything she does. Through Pins Across Campus, she hopes to create an environment where students feel comfortable speaking up, asking for help, and supporting one another. Those who know Katharina say that passion shows in her everyday life. Her friend Delaney described her as someone who, quote, works hard and cares a lot, and said she's someone people can rely on. But beyond that, Delaney says Katharina is doing something important on campus. She said Katharina is helping open the doors to a lot of closed conversations, especially when it comes to mental health, conversations that many students might otherwise avoid. Delaney added that her work is focused on, quote, breaking the stigma and making those discussions feel more normal. That impact is already starting to show. Across campus, students who attend workshops are beginning to wear the pins, small symbols that represent something much bigger. Katharina said one of the most meaningful moments for her is, quote,
after an education workshop, seeing people wear their pins on their clothing.
It's a sign that the message is spreading, and that students are not only listening, but participating. Each pin becomes a quiet signal of support and a reminder that conversations about mental health don't have to stay hidden. Ultimately, Katharina hopes her work leaves a lasting impact on the campus community. She said, quote,
I hope they learn that they're not alone and that there are resources out there and to always be a friend when someone needs it.
For Katharina, Pins Across Campus is more than an initiative. It's a way to build connection, encourage understanding, and remind students that support is always within reach. And sometimes, something as small as a pin can be the start of a much bigger conversation.